It is the Bergara BXR, which is the semi-automatic offering from Bergara, chambered in 22LR. Beautifully finished, nice stipple stock, fluted barrel here, not too long, and it's a perfect rifle for a bit of gallery shooting at a range with like falling plates like we've done today, or if you're more into hunting and you want to go out bunny bashing, it's great for follow-up shots on rabbits on the farms. We are at the Budley Farm Shooting Centre and I am hosting the C2 Precision Smugglers Rimfire Rifle Match. And Bergara has kindly sponsored the event. They've brought along the BXR 22 Rimfire. We've put up one stage over there, a sponsored Bergara stage, and the idea of the stage was to engage 10 falling plates on a stand, and with the BXR being the semi-automatic rifle, it was great fun. The shooters got to engage falling plates at quick succession, and then they transitioned onto their bolt guns and carried on engaging the rest of the stage with their bolt rifles.
You did quite well with the falling plate section.
Yeah, I think so.
Is that the Josh Martin modest screen?
I try. I try.
It is incredibly satisfactory knocking over 10 plates in a row, isn't it?
It is, yeah, especially in about 5-6 seconds. This thing definitely performed very well. In design, it's very similar to the 1022 in the way it works. I think they're the very similar style magazines. 10-shot rotary magazine, goes up just under there. Cock once, carry on for 10 shots. It's your stereotypical semi-automatic 2.2.
Would you buy a wooden stock rifle, do you think, again in your life?
Personally, no. More just because I'm more into the competitive scene. If I was to go deer stalking, rabbit shooting, I'd just take what I had in the cupboard. 9 times out of 10, it's a precision rifle based sort of rifle. This stock here is all painted. It's very durable. It's composite stock, and it's got the chassis system up inside, which makes it very rigid. Inside, it's like built inside the aluminium chassis stock's built inside, and it's extremely rigid.
And that one comes with the Picatinny rail as standard?
Yes, it does. Yeah, 30 MOA actually. So if you want to take it out target shooting, it will get you those extended distances without having to put an elevated rail on because it comes out standard.